Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll subtitles delayed. So if you're having this problem, then what you can do is you can head over and then update the app first. You can check for updates. And second is you can clear your cache and data. For Android, you can go to Settings, App, Crunchyroll, and Storage. For iOS, you can go to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. Third is you can restrict your device. And then fourth, you can adjust the subtitle settings on your actual Crunchyroll. Just go to the subtitle settings and turn subtitles off and back on again. And then that will actually resync. You can also check your internet connection because a slow or unstable internet connection can cause delays. You can also choose a different device or browser. And then if you already did those six and there's actually no solution yet, then you can try to contact support. So that's how you fix Crunchyroll subtitles delayed. Hope you helped.